I'm Michael.
I'm Sarah. I'm Kendra.
So what we're gonna start out with is we have a huge lake in the middle of our city or river. So we have a water filter inside of our lake, and it's animal safe. And so when they like do their business in garbage and stuff, it goes into the filters and like stays on the filters for a little bit and then decomposes and turns into energy.
Which helps our windmill over here power the city.
We have an animal conversation park, and there's
repopulate animals.
yes, and we have compost stand. So when animals do their business, the animal waste decomposes into the compost stand, and then the cycle starts over and then repeats and like goes on and on and on forever.
Which helps our city and our water be healthy for the animals and the people.
The living space is on this side. This is a water fun center where you get like taught to like canoe and like paddle boat and like tours and stuff on like a steamboat. All of our cars are produced on carbon dioxide.
And how it works is sort of like photosynthesis. So the car takes the carbon dioxide in, breaks it down into sugar and oxygen, releases the oxygen out into the air, and uses the sugar to run the car. And all the cars and vehicles in the city are powered by carbon dioxide. And when the carbon dioxide gets to a stable level where we need it, it switches to solar power, and we can store that energy. So when it's at night, the car can, or bus or truck can use it.
We have our business buildings right here. We have a couple of restaurants. We have 2 shopping areas, and we have a fire station, a hospital, and a police station. Our problem is our goal is our city wants to be a green city, and our solution is that we have carbon dioxide controlled cars, and we have that windmill that powers the city.
And like if someone's in their house and it gets injured or is really sick and they need to go to the hospital, there's sensors, like we have our satellite that can sense when someone's injured, and it sends a signal to the hospital, which is here, and the ambulance, so an ambulance gets sent out, and all the cars in the city get a signal to stop, like, and get out of the roads, so that the ambulance can get to the house, and it can either treat the person there or can rush them to the hospital, and then all the roads can get used again.
So there's also electricity and pipes under the water, under the city, and the pipes lead the clean water to the houses, and that's how it produces water inside the house.
And electricity, and so how it works is on the left side of the road, the electrical lines are spread out through the ground, and they're surrounded in rubber, just in case like one breaks, and so it doesn't shock the water, because the water pipes are on the right side of the road, so it's separated out. So if the water pump breaks, it doesn't get into the electrical wire and send a shortage out.
Kendra, you want to say something?
Oh, and we have a community garden over here, so that there doesn't have to be a bunch of farms for everyone to grow crops. And this is just one of our community gardens, but everyone is free to grow vegetables there and pick fruits and everything.
Over here, like, if this was expanded a little bit, our water tower and stuff and our water solutions would be over here, and
like all our factories would be over there, but most of them are not powered by, or do not release carbon dioxide, because our goal again is a green city, so we try to keep it as green as possible.
Okay, that's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.